Top 8 Healthiest Herbs. There are some herbs and spices that have many potential health benefits. They include anti-inflammatory properties, help fight diseases and also boost cognitive function, just to name a few. Before manufactured vitamins and medicine were developed, our ancestors used herbs for their healing benefits. This video will explore the best 10 herbs and spices you can consume daily for the best of health. If you find the video useful, please click the like button and share it with others. Subscribe for more future content. 1. Ginger. Ginger is used for many years as a cure for nausea and digestive issues. They also contain anti-inflammatory properties. People use them for motion sickness and morning sickness too. Some studies show that ginger helps fight cancer. This is mainly attributed to its high antioxidant levels. With this, it helps prevent cancer cells from multiplying in our bodies. More studies must take place to confirm this advantage. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric, also known as curcumin, is a widely used spice for cooking and health benefits. It has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antioxidants properties. Turmeric helps remove toxic free radicals which causes diseases such as cancer from our body. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon contains many health benefits. It is antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic and anti-carcinogenic. Cinnamon helps reduce blood sugar levels and help boost cognitive functions. Some research are being done to determine if cinnamon would be an effective treatment against Alzheimer's disease. 4. Cumin. Cumin is used in our dishes for its aromatic properties. It can also help weight loss, reduce bad cholesterol and ease stress. It is also another herb with high antioxidants. 5. Oregano. Another herb which is used as a flavor enhancer, provides many benefits such as it reduces inflammation, regulate blood sugar levels, fight cancer, strengthen the immune system and improve insulin resistance. 6. Peppermint. Peppermint has cooling, antibacterial effects and is good for our digestion. Research shows that inhaling peppermint can widen air passages which supply more air to our lungs. Peppermint can also help relax muscles and ease pain due to its menthol compound. 7. Parsley. Parsley is used for culinary flavoring and is therapeutic as it alleviates high blood pressure and allergies. It contains high levels of antioxidants, carotenoids, and other beneficial vitamins which support a healthy body and immune system. 8. Black seeds. Black seeds originate from the Nigella sativa plant. When consumed, black seeds provide many health benefits such as eliminating asthma, reducing cholesterol, help fight autoimmune disorders, aids digestion and improve blood sugar levels. Applied topically, it can have positive effects on acne, psoriasis and eczema. Having herbs and spices in your food can be greatly beneficial for your body. Therefore incorporate them into your lifestyle. Anyone with serious health conditions should consult a doctor before choosing to consume them regularly and in larger amounts. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.